Welcome to Los Angeles, where the local time is 2:42 p.m. Please stay seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlet. Also remember to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you've enjoyed your flight. It was our pleasure having you, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.